Okay, let's do this, guys.
Oh my gosh, jellyfish.
Oh, wow, nahulog agad.
Wow, nasa jellyfish ka kaagad.
Wala ba akong ginagawa?
Wait,
I'm not even moving.
May damage ka na.
Camera.
Yeah.
Goodbye, cruel world. What?
Kasi jellyfish ka nila.
Oo nga eh. Hindi,
Cute
hindi
mo.
pa rin.
Nagsaswimming ka sa jellyfish. Yay! Last one. There you go. What just happened there?
Oo nga, gusto ko makita eh.
Hi.
Why though? Why? Ano pa pala siya eh? Pabahala natin. Oo nga eh, what
So
the heck?
crazy, bro.
Kaya mo ba kami kick pareho ni Chen? Kick us both. Come on.
Sila pa this little reach.
Yeah, we're mag-reach. Tapos, I changed my, binding. Tapos, ganun pa rin. Yung kung anong binayin ko yun.
Kick us both. Pareho kami natumba.
Is it?
Well, it's not the costume.
Wind up talaga siya. What the heck?
Sa Chen ang...
Okay, let me someone else.
You still kicking?
Actually, sabi Topin, baka it's an April Fool's prank.
Oo nga, no.
Only kick people.
Apparently. I can't even get up.
What the heck? Why do I have the power of the kick though? Bakit ako lang? Di ba friend eh, actually?
You should adjust your look.
Oo nga.
Oh nga, no? Yeah. I have to adjust my look. I have to be meaner. Why am I the... What the heck?
Nasa jellyfish ka na naman ba?
Yeah. Stupid jellyfish.
Kick.
Bakit na maayos eh?
Ayun! Yes! There you go.
There you go. Hey, where am I?
Yay, you're here. I'm on top of you. Heyo. Nice. Good job.
I can't reach out for you, Chen.
Nice shortcut.
Yeah. Ikaw muna.
Okay, sure kang kaya mo kung makapasok agad for yourself?
Wait, try. Use
Sige.
and then... Ayan. Okay.
Ah.
Okay na?
Yan, makasakay.
Hindi pa.
Ah, okay, from the top pala. Ayan, yan.
Nice.
Yeah. Your turn.
Wait, can I rescue you?
In case...
You wanna try?
That was nice. Oh, cool. That's so cool. Huwag ka maghawak ng item. Yum! Perfect. Oh, no! Chen, are you alive? May antidote ako.
Oh my gosh.
You there? Oh, she's
Oh,
alive.
she's fine. She's
Okay,
fine.
okay.
Adi.
Your
Pasok
turn.
ako. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Woohoo!
Laki ng tick mo.
Huh?
Oh my
What?
gosh. Oh my-
You you got my tick? Kanina ko pa siya inaalagaan. No! Did you eat him? No! You got it. No!
Alaga mo lang yan.
Stomach.
Ang laki na niya.
Wait, how do you see first person? Paano mo nakikita yung tick mo eh sometimes nasa ibang
Hindi,
part
sobrang
ng
laki na.
katawan. Kaya sa
Tsaka dinadamage niya ako every so often.
And then I just ate it.
Now what? Wait, may checkpoint ka dyan. May checkpoint ka. You're gonna live there. Yeah, you're back.
Try mo yung rescue flow mo.
Forgot about that.
Okay,
There you go.
and then go straight.
Careful pa lang sa
Ay, naka.
May bago akong nakitang, may bago akong clothes.
Oh, you got new one? How?
I think because I died of that, whatever that is. Ayun.
Oh, cool!
What? That's so nice.
Ang cute ng character ni Chen.
Parang ang bait. Naiiyak. Sipain mo nga.
I want to. Lives.
Oo nga eh. That is true.
I'll
You have
send
to show
I'll
them.
send you my footage.
You have to show them this.
Naiiwas. Ah, keep on missing! Huh? What?
You gotta take a video.
Oh! Thanks for kicking me.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye.